How do you handle undisclosed property defects?
Undisclosed property defects are very disruptive to the buyer and to the seller. Your very first call, if you are a buyer, if you perceive that there is a defect that was not disclosed to you, is you reach out to your agent. By reaching out to your agent, it allows to have a more friendly conversation and to figure out what really happened, what was disclosed, what wasn't disclosed, and to try to reach a mutually beneficial understanding.
Right.
The agents will work together collaboratively to try to fix the problem. However, if the agents aren't able to fix the problem, then it is a good idea to contact legal counsel. Legal counsel will listen to you, figure out what the problem is, help you decide if it's worth pursuing, worth the cost of hiring an attorney. If it is worth the cost, then what we would do is we'd send a demand letter. If you're a buyer, we'd send a demand letter to the seller. And we'd explain what the defect is, why we think that it was not properly disclosed or disclosed at all, and to propose a remedy to fix the situation. And 90% of the contracts in the state of California, the California Association of Realtors has what's we call a mandatory mediation provision.
I see.
So prior to any litigation, prior to going to court and incurring all those fees, there is an informal process to try to reach a resolution on these failure to disclose types of issues. And in my practice, I would estimate that 75% of all cases get resolved prior to filing litigation, which benefits both the buyer and the seller.
Check the full episode on our YouTube channel and on Apple Podcast.